Wandersea from Alaska. I have researched I needed back surgery for my back. I have a ruptured disc, and I looked on the internet and I found Dr. Bojwani and contacted him, and he put me in contact with Dr. Kukani, and I'm here at the Bombay Hospital, and I have the belt on now, and it's been 4 days. I'm able to stand up real good and move around. The pain has left my legs. I feel much better. The staff here has been wonderful for me. I've enjoyed very much. I hope to see Bombay and India some now. The food has been very interesting, and some of it's been very good. But it's been really quite an experience. It's very hot now. We didn't exactly get the right times to travel here, but sometimes you don't always get to choose when you get to come and go. Dr. Kukani has been excellent. He's always checks on me every day and answers all my questions. I am very pleased with him. It has been a quite an experience in all. Dr. Bojwani was very helpful in contacting, being aware of who to contact for my problems that I have had. It's a lovely room. The place is very nice, and plenty of people to look after you. Thank you very much.